Want to know how to remove or disable or enable VSync in Paladins? Well, no worries. VSync is an important part whether you want a performance or quality more. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove or add VSync in Paladins. So it's super simple and on a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your Paladins game, and once you've done that, on the top right side you should be seeing settings right here. So you can just simply select it. Now once you have selected settings, you should be seeing various options. Now make sure you're on the video on top navigation bar, and now you can just simply see vertical sync right here, which is VSync. It should be right below anti-aliasing, and you can just simply select enable right here and then select apply. Now once that is done, your VSync should be applied, and now make sure you restart your game as well. So if you don't, the changes won't be taken effect, and that's it. You can do the same for disabling as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.